Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed Sesay from Syeds Law Solicitors, and I want to thank Diaspora Voices for raising concern for Leoneans and other nationalities we live in the UK. They want to know what will be the status of the European EEA nationals. In other words, we brothers and sisters, we come from Germany, Belgium, Europe, wherever you come from. Will they ask you for under the settlement scheme for make with the original for apply, because the deadline in notify again the deadline for make Britain come off from EU at 31st of December this year 2020, and you get up to June the 30th 2021 for apply for a pre-settled status or you settle status. But I advise sooner it better make you apply before we come out outside Europe. That's now one thing, but most important thing, and this is a question where some of una they ask, if una want bring una people them from Sierra Leone, from Africa, I'll advise you do it before Britain come out outside the EU in December, the 31st of December. The reason why, if you're not European Union residents, that is you get a Dutch nationality or resident or Italian or whatever, if you apply now for bring in your pikin, you daddy, your grandpa from Sierra Leone or your brother with a below age, if you apply now, the charge where they pay home office is free. It's free. You only they pay the solicitors fees, okay? But if you stay after the 31st of December, they will treat your application as if a British nationality will want bring in person kaya. And the fees is high. You pay like £3,800. You get for pay immigration health surcharge, and you get for proof say that person there where they Sierra Leone where you want bring car, no that person no able to take care of and pass you. But in the day where you get for proof. But if you apply now before the 31st for bringing somebody from Sierra Leone, only if you hold an EEA passport or even an EEA national law. I don't want to make una call me say, me na British, I want bring me person. You know, they pay. But EEA national now, they know they pay because then treaty rights guarantee them say if they want bring somebody from Africa. Now, when I immediate dependence, now I will clarify who that qualify under that category. But in a nutshell, I will say if you get Pekin, you get your mama, you get your daddy, you get your grandpa, we want bring come over. Now is the best time for do it. It will cost you cheaper and easier, and you don't need for proof boku. They know they ask you boku, you just need for proof say when I get relationship, now you border or a birth certificate. They will get a visa and it's free, you know they pay. So they ask una for make una do that before the 31st of December this year if you're not EEA national. So please note that. Another question again where people and they ask Diaspora Voices is about amnesty. If they want to get amnesty, the asylum. We don't go determine whether they want the amnesty. There is a talk of amnesty, yes, a lot of people. But wait, I can tell you now, for amnesty, you get for don't they inside the system. So some of you guys will get genuine asylum claim. We no want claim asylum. You cannot get amnesty if you know they inside the system already. So I advise if you get a genuine case of asylum, but you're afraid, the best you go do, they give this information number. When you need a good advice, you call we will come down our office and you will contact me, then we will take them from there. But it necessary let somebody they inside the system already for asylum. Because listen, most asylum claim now, as at very soon the law they can change. You only need for wait for 6 months for start for work, not to for like before when you get for wait for 12 months. From now, very soon the law they can change for asylum seekers. All you need for wait for 6 months. After the 6 months, then you can apply. You know, but the good thing is, if you apply for asylum, you already get reference number. But this COVID-19, we don't see beaucoup people that will go for treatment. Then they treat you, but then they give you a heavy immigration NHS bill. Say, will they treat you as somebody we're not entitled? So after that, then they put now your name, like then we don't see up to 25,000 pounds when they charge somebody. Where if you don't seek asylum or you get asylum reference, perhaps they will just overlook that. Yes. Somebody asked me again, waiting at the process if you apply for asylum. We can apply for you on the phone. You only need for giving you details, your ID, and we apply for you on the phone. When immigration send the pack to you, then you can come to we now, and then you go now the office with and direct you for go take your fingerprint, and then you wait. So if fortunate now for them and you they accept you, you claim for asylum, then you go get refugee status. Okay, so please, all the people that when they ask me for immigration, there's a whole lot of issues where they come, but the reason why I want to address the EEA nationals, where they are the European Union nationals, now because make them not lose this opportunity for bringing them people then. You can contact me through Diaspora Voices, or you call me number 07415 437 381. I hope there's a lot to it, but I will left an hour first. So thank you, Diaspora Voices. If you get any other issues related to immigration, you can contact me or Diaspora Voices. We thank you for your service to the community. Once more, my name is Ahmed Sesay and Syeds Law Solicitors. Thank you.